Hello, Kenchi. Hi, Kenchi.
Hello. Hello. You say today not class.
Oh, I said we have class today. You didn't read it? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so hello, Kenchi again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy New Year.
I think, why is Sally crying already?
Oh, we are finished with this one.
You read
What?
this already.
We are finished with this? I forgot. Okay, wait. I will open the next one.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hi, Tom.
Hello, teacher.
Where did you go yesterday? Where did you celebrate New Year, Kenchi? Oh, Kenchi, where did you celebrate New Year yesterday?
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, you just stayed at home?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so for today, Kenchi, let's begin our lesson, okay? Okay, so we are now in Unit 32, Mary Goes Shopping. Okay, so look at activity letter A, Kenchi. What's in the kitchen? Make sentences. Okay, so Kenchi, look at the picture in A. What foods can you see?
Oh, oranges, carrot, tomato, rice, coffee, tea. And what this?
That is pasta.
Pasta.
Okay.
And what this?
All right. And that is an onion.
Onion?
Yeah. No, I think that's a garlic. Yeah, I think that's a garlic. Okay. So those are the foods that you can see on the picture. Okay, now. There is some coffee. No. There are some coffee. There are apples. There is a pasta. There is rice. That is onions. There are onions. There is a carrot. There's tomatoes. There's oranges. And there's also a tea. Okay, now, Kenchi, can you see the bowl on the table? What is in that bowl?
Oranges.
Okay, very good. So those are oranges. So how about on the table? What is it, Kenchi?
Tomato.
Yes, very good. So there's tomato, there's rice, and there is onion. What else? What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. This one.
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. Now, can you see the shelves? How many shelves are there?
2.
Yes, there are 2 shelves. What's on the shelves, Kenchi?
Pasta. Coffee. Apple.
Yes, there's pasta, coffee, and apple. Very good. Okay, so now let's proceed to this one. So this is activity A again. There's and there are. Okay, so we are when you answer, Kenchi, you use these words, okay? There's, if there's only one. And there are if there's two or
More.
more. Very good. Okay, now let's begin. What's on the plate, Kanchi? Use there's or there are.
There's carrot.
Very good. There's carrots. Or there's only one carrot. Next one. How many apples are there?
There are 2 apples.
Very good. There are 2 apples. Oh, what happened?
Finish.
Okay, now, Kenji, can you read what is only?
Only there is a single one or very few of something.
Okay, so we use the word only when we are talking about only one thing or object. For example, there's only one bag in the closet, or there's only one plate in the cupboard. Okay, that is an example. So now, how about a lot of? Can you read it?
A lot of. A large amount.
A large, oh, that's large.
A large amount or number of people or things.
Okay, a lot of means there's a large amount or number of people or things. Okay, next one. How about, okay, I will give you example of a lot of. There are a lot of students inside the classroom, or there are a lot of chocolates in the fridge. Okay, Kanchi, can you give me one example of a lot of?
There are a lot of pencils on the floor.
Very good. Okay, so now let's go to not much. Okay, when do you use not much?
A small amount of something.
Okay, so we use the word not much when we talk about a small amount of something. So for example, there's not much sugar in the can. Okay, or there's not much rice in the rice bin. Okay, so can you give me an example, Kenchi, of not much?
I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, if you don't know, I just gave you some examples. Okay, so the examples, okay, I will give you one more. There's not much food on the table. So it means not much is not plenty, or there's only small amount. Okay, Kenchi, next one is some.
An amount of number of something.
Okay, so some means an amount or number of something. So example, I have some books on my bag, or I have some friends
on the table.
Yeah, or I have some friends here at their house. How about you?
Some banana and apple.
Yes, I have some bananas and apples. Okay, so the next one is any.
Some or even the smallest amount.
Okay, some or even the smallest amount. So let's give an example. Any. I've got, oh, wait a minute. Any. I want to eat any kind of food. Okay, I want to eat any kind of food. Oh, how about you?
I don't know.
Is it? Okay, so let's skip. Okay, so now can she look at picture B? Put a tick or a cross next to the things that Mary needs to buy, okay? So this is Mary and this is her kitchen. Mary goes to the market on Tuesday. What does she need to buy this week? Okay, Kenchi, what are the things that she needs to buy this week? Look at the picture. Huh?
Coffee.
Yes.
Tea. Rice. Pasta. Orange. Apple. Carrot. Cheese. Where is cheese?
There's no cheese, so I think Mary also needs to buy cheese.
Onion. Tomato.
Is that all?
R.
Okay, let's see. So, why is there a tick after potatoes? Why do you think there's a tick after the word potatoes, but there's no potato in the picture? Why do you think so, Kenchi?
I don't know.
So the question is, why do you think there is the word potato and there is a tick also when there is no tomato in the picture? Why do you think?
I think she make a food.
Yes, correct. Yes, maybe Mary finished all the potatoes in her kitchen and she used it for cooking. So that's why there's a tick in the word because she needs to buy potatoes. Very good, Kanchi. Okay, so these are the things that Mary needs to buy. Potatoes, apples, carrots, tea, cheese, rice. Okay, that's all. So Mary doesn't need to buy coffee, tea, coffee, pasta, onions, tomatoes, and oranges because
tomato have.
Yeah, okay. Tomato has. So there's a lot of onions. There's also a lot of orange and also a lot of pasta and coffee. So Mary didn't have to buy this stuff for the meantime. Okay, so now Kenji, let's go to the next activity. It's find the differences. Okay. All right, so Kenji, in my picture, there's one lemon. Okay, now what is the difference between the two lemons? Oh, Kenchi. What's that? Why did you draw a lot of arrows? Oh, now can you tell me what are the differences between the two pictures?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know? The answer is In the picture, there's only one lemon, while in the other one, there are 6 pieces, there are 5 pieces of lemons. Okay. So now, Kenchi, we are going to use the words some or a lot of grapes, 1 or 8 pineapples, lots of or 2 sandwiches, not much or a lot of milk, not much and a lot of watermelon, a lot of and not many chips. Okay, now Kenchi, let's go to the next one. What is in your kitchen?
I can't remember.
You don't know what's on your kitchen?
Yes.
Okay. So here, there's an example here. I've got a little bread at home. I've got some cheese too. I've got a lot of apples. Okay, anyway, let's skip that because you don't remember what's on your kitchen. So let's go to activity C. Complete the sentences about the story. Okay, so Kenchi, you must read the story and put the correct words on the blank, okay? Okay, I will give you example. Mary's at the market. Okay, so you have to explain what is on the picture. Okay, so picture number 1. Can you start, Kenchi?
I can write. No,
okay. All right. You can write your answer.
No, I want to read.
Okay, you want to read.
Picture 1, Mary at the market. She buys some fruit and vegetables.
Fruit and vegetable, okay.
A man giving Mary a bag of potato. John Park is next to Mary. He got his bag with him. Picture 2. Walking from home.
From home?
Home from the market.
Okay.
But all the fruit and vegetables are in her bag. Some of them are on the ground. John Park going home too. He behind Mary.
Very good. So there's vegetables, potatoes, fruit, vegetables, and John Park. So in the first part, Kenchi got 5 points. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay.
Mary at home now. Her mom angry with her because there's nothing in the bag. Mary very surprised. I don't understand, Mom. I put everything into the bag at the market, she said.
Very good. Okay, so there's home, angry, nothing, surprised, everything, and market. So you got a total of 11 points now. Okay, now question number 1, Kenchi. Where are Mary and her mom now?
At the door.
Okay, they're at the door or at home. So who's outside their house?
John Park.
Okay, it's John Park. What is inside the box?
Mary, fruit and vegetables.
Yes, there are Mary's fruit and vegetables. And last one, are Mary and her mom happy now?
Yes.
Oh, why? Why are they happy?
Because they see fruit and vegetables in the box.
Yes, because all the fruit and vegetables that Mary lost, John Park returned it to them. Okay. So now, we are going to answer letter D. Who says this? Okay, so example number 1. Can I have 2 kilos of potatoes, please? So Mary is the one who said that. Okay, how about number 2? How about number 2? I will read. Where are the fruit and vegetables? This bag is empty. Who said that?
Mary, mom.
Okay, it's Mary's mom. Okay, number 3. You drop this fruit and vegetables in the streets, I think.
John Park.
Yes, it's John Park. And last one. Thank you. Now I don't have to go shopping again.
Mary.
Okay, so Mary was the one who said that. Very good, Kenchi. Perfect score again for you. Okay, so now let's go to activity letter E. Okay, wait, I cannot see it. Choose the correct words and write them on the line. Okay, so this is a text about how do farmers make cheese, okay? So Kenchi, you must choose your answers from the numbers on the side of the screen, okay? So can you start answering?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Number 1. Has to what for which? I don't know.
Oh yeah, okay, there's an example, okay? So you just read the text and you choose the missing words here, okay? So number 1 is this, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So there's an example right here.
I think it's which.
Okay, what's your answer number 1? Can you read the sentence, please?
This.
No. You don't include this. This is, wait a minute. This is only an example. Okay, don't include that, okay? So you start with number 1. Number 1 first. First, the farmer takes the milk. Here, there's number 1. You choose here.
Number 1?
Yes, you choose there.
I don't know.
Okay, wait a minute. So here, Kenchi, you're going to choose your answer in the first blank here in number 1. And then 2 is 2. 3 is 3. 4 is 4. And 5 is 5.
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, you just have to read it, Kenchi, and then you're going to choose the missing words in each number.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I will help you. Okay, how do farmers make cheese? Do you know? First, the farmer takes the milk. What is your answer? What, who, or which?
I don't know.
Okay, so your answer in number 1 is which. You are correct. Number 2, when he gets, which he gets from his cows. Then he tests the milk. It must be safe to drink. Then the farmer cooks the milk and sometimes adds different things to change its color. You need 10 big bowls of milk to make 1 big bowl of cheese. Some cheese that you see in the in the shops is very new, but some is more than 12 years old when you buy it. You can learn a lot of making cheese on the internet. Try looking. Oh, see? You got the perfect score, Kenchi, and then you said, I don't know. Okay, very good. So you got 5 points. Okay, that's good. Okay, well, anyway, Kenchi, let's continue again our lesson tonight, okay? So we have class tonight. So I'm going to see you again later. Goodbye, Kenchi.